Hello friends. Now let us see the next video in our series MCQ for you. I'm Dr. Amit Desai. I'm a surgeon and I take lectures for NEET PG and for FMGE. So identify the crystals found in this urine analysis. All right. Identify the crystals that are found in this urine analysis. All right. So now these crystals are basically envelope-shaped crystals. Okay. These crystals are envelope-shaped crystals, which you see in cases of calcium oxalate. So now let us see the various crystal ureas and how do these crystals look. So if there are oxalate stones, there are two types of crystals that are there. One is the monohydrate variety. These are hard stones, okay, hard stones. And how are the crystals going to look? The crystals are going to be dumbbell shaped like a dumbbell, okay? Now, instead, if you have a dihydrate variety of oxalate stone, then the shape of the crystals is going to be envelope shape. The ones that we are seeing just now, okay, they are going to be envelope shape. Instead, if you are dealing with phosphate stones, phosphate calculi, then they are going to have a coffin lid shaped crystals. Coffin lid shape. Okay, so how are the crystals going to be? The crystals are going to be like this. This is the coffin lid shape. Instead, if you are dealing with a stone which is a cysteine calculus, which is seen in cysteine urea, then they are going to be benzene ring shaped crystals. Okay, so they are going to be shaped like the ring of a benzene ring. So these are going to be the various types of crystals or crystal urea that you are going to be seeing in various types of calculi. So if you've liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, ADSL Academics. Please hit the like button and also the bell icon so that you will get the further notification of the videos that we